No! Hey! Catch. Good. Exactly. Don't ever use your shirt to clean your glasses. Do you not like them? Anyway, so open it up. I want to show you something. So that is a liquid lens cleaner. And that is a lens-free cloth, which is good to use to clean your glasses. Now pick up your smudged lenses. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open the liquid lens up. Okay, now you're going to spray once or twice on each surface. So one, another one, turn it. Yes, another one. Good. Now wipe it with a cloth. Very obedient boy. So don't be like past Mr. Wayne. Be like present Mr. Wayne, who uses the right equipment to clean his glasses. Say no to using your shirt to clean your glasses. You can get your lens cleaners from any branch of Fresh Look Eye Center. They will be in the caption below. Hi. So in a case where your glasses get so smudgy or so dirty that even the lens cloth and then the liquid lens cleaner is not able to clean it, you can use liquid soap and water to clean your lenses. Please, not powdered soap, just liquid soap. So you're going to squeeze a little bit on the lenses, and then under running water you're going to use your thumbs to kind of clean both sides. Try not to use your nails. Then when you're done, you just shake it off